Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this really traditional rice cake from central part of Japan that you can easily make at home. What I'm going to be showing you today is called Gohei Mochi, and it literally means Gohei's rice cake. And nobody's really sure where the name comes from, but the most plausible theory suggests that it's the name of the person who made this dish about 400 years ago. So this specific type of mochi is really famous as a snack or street food from Nagano prefecture and the surrounding areas. Gohei mochi is a grilled mochi, and the toasty aroma of the rice and the sweet and savory miso glaze are absolutely amazing and mouth-watering. And believe me, it's really easy to make. So follow my steps, and I'm gonna be showing you some tips along the way. Make sure to watch until the end of the video. So let's get started. So the very first thing we do is to smash rice into paste to make the mochi, the main thing. And when we make mochi, we normally use a special kind of rice called mochi rice, which is a lot stickier than the normal Japanese rice. But the good news is, traditionally, it's the normal Japanese rice that we use for gohei mochi. So you don't have to run around to search for special mochi rice. That makes it a lot easier for you. So you can just grab any Japanese rice brand that's available in your local supermarket. Place 700 grams of freshly cooked Japanese rice into a mixing bowl. Now smash it into what we call hantsuki in Japanese, which means half pounded. And this is one of the secrets to making gohei mochi. By leaving some of the grains unpounded, we can achieve rustic mochi texture, which is really beautiful. So, to sum up, when you make gohei mochi, use regular Japanese rice and only pound it halfway through. As you can see, the mochi is quite sticky but still somewhat grainy, so this is what you want to achieve. So the next thing we're gonna do is to put the mochi on skewers. Now traditionally we use a wide and flat wooden plate, but it's quite hard to find them. We can just use disposable wooden chopsticks like these. Wet your hand and grab a fifth of the rice cake, stick it around the chopsticks, forming a cylinder, and flatten out into sort of like a long oval. Do some final patting to make sure it's flat and smooth on the outside. Now let the mochi rest for 10 minutes or so. This will prevent it from breaking apart while grilling. Now in the meantime, let's prepare the traditional and delicious walnut miso glaze. Put a couple of tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds into a Japanese mortar and grind them into fine powder using a circular motion. Now the sesame looks fine. Just chuck in 50 grams of toasted walnuts, then grind them as well. When you do this, be careful not to grind them completely into powder. It's nice to have a bit of crunchy bits of the nuts, right? Well, this grinding process can be done with a food blender as well, but I personally prefer to do this in the traditional way, because flavor-wise it's better. Now add 50 grams of sugar, 1 level tablespoon of mirin, 1 level tablespoon of sake, half a tablespoon of Japanese soy sauce, and finally 2 tablespoons of miso. Mix them together well. Now you have a beautiful and traditional walnut miso glaze. Now it's the most exciting part, grilling. And to do that, I'm going to use this portable gas grill just because I have it, but I know a lot of you guys don't have it. So instead you can use a toaster oven, or if you don't have a toaster oven, you can grab one of these and grill the rice cake directly on your stove. Now turn on the burner to full whack, place the rice cakes on the grill. Now cook them till they turn slightly golden brown on the surface. As I mentioned, you can also do this directly on your gas stove, but be very careful not to burn your rice cakes instead of toasting them, which means you should do this over the lowest flame when grilling on a regular stove. Now when the mochi is lightly toasted, spread the miso glaze over the entire surface of it. Now that all the rice cakes are covered in the miso glaze, they're gonna go back onto the grill. Now once the miso glaze is on the rice cake, they're more easy to get burnt, so keep them turning and keep an eye on the color. By the way, I'm grilling them on medium-low heat. As you can see, they've got a bit of black spots on the surface. They're actually beautiful things and it's good to have them, but certainly you don't want to make it totally black. Now savor the sound and the view for a while. They look ready now, so let's take them off the grill. Now, presenting them on this nice and old bamboo skin will make them look really pretty. Look at this beautiful traditional gohe mochi from Nagano Prefecture. Unfortunately, I failed to shoot the taste test, but it was absolutely a winner, so find out what it tastes like on your own. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe to know more Japanese recipes. And that also helps me create more videos in the future.